my beautiful people. Today is Thursday, 12th October. It's around 11 and we're back at the Hoover Dam. Yes! So we're climbing up here today. Not really sure where this goes. If this is actually the Hoover Dam or some other bridge, I have no idea. But I guess we'll see.
There are German people here.
You're German people.
No, there are other German people.
So? There's a lot of Germans here. Oh, I think that's the bridge that we drove over. That's not the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam is down further. Hoover Dam is further down, but we've seen it and we're not going into the Hoover Dam, so we're gonna go to our next stop, which is the Grand Canyon. Yes, I cannot be on a bridge forever. I get major anxiety. I was just tripping only because Doodle picked up my car. I literally yelled at him.
Scaredy cat, scaredy cat.
No, I have heights anxiety, whatever you call it. Afraid of heights. And here I'm still going up on heights because it's awesome. Alright, see you at the Grand Canyon. Okay, change of plans. We're going to the Grand Canyon on Saturday on the way back home because it's 97 miles from here. It's about a 2-hour drive.
It's 1 hour 53 minutes.
And we haven't planned for that. So we're just
So we will leave first thing Saturday morning and get there early morning, cuz no tomato.
So yeah, we're stopping by there because we want to go on the skywalk. You know, since we're on the skywalk side of the Grand Canyon. Why am I so bright, or am I seeing this just, I don't know. Okay, yeah, so we're going back to the city. We're gonna stop at Chinatown and see what's in there, and then go back to the hotel and let the kids go in the pool, and then see what else we can do. Alrighty, see ya. We just walked around the whole premises in search of food. There's so many restaurants here, we just can't decide which one. So we're walking another round. No, there was a restaurant down on the corner, so that's where we're going now.
Hi.
My cat in his soy sauce.
Like I try to guess my 3 favorite YouTubers.
You got Mongolian beef, and I got vegetable mixed stir fry.
One more. I meant to say 4 because I forgot my 5.
You're wearing the fitting shirt today, Daddy.
I didn't intend to do that at all.
What is that?
Obi-Wan.
I said Obi-Wan Kenobi, man.
I said Obi-Wan. Star Wars.
So all of you have guessed?
It's not Obi-Wan.
The correct answer is Obi-Trice.
Who's Obi-Trice?
Oh, you suck. Obi-Wan Kenobi, man.
He's a rapper.
I think Obi-Wan is a rapper.
You didn't even tell me about Obi-Trice.
You hear her all the time in the car. Obi-Trice. Real name, no gimmicks. When he first said it, he thought there might be a rapper out there.
Say it. Say it.
Where's the entrance? Where is the entrance?
Entrance? What entrance?
You little booger face.
Smelly.
There's some, but not all.
There's no much for my Daddy, do we need this coffee maker?
Just stop in an Asian store looking for some noodle, cup noodle, soup noodles, whatever noodles.
Because that makes your hand stuck this way.
Always looking for tom yum. Tom yum is hard to find for some reason. I love this aloe tea, aloe drink. Oh, I'm gonna take one. Which one? Oh yeah, mango. Mango.
Look at those 2 fish. They're already dead.
Ooh, fishy. Why do the Asian... Wait, is that tom yum? Oh wow.
Creamy tom yum flavor.
Why do the Asians in our area don't have tom yum?
I don't know, but this is the best.
They have like a whole box.
What you're doing? You were my God.
We live for those noodles. We're back in the room. It's 3:40 now, and we've been out longer than thought. We had lunch out, stopped at the Asian store, got me some Asian goodies, like this tasty paste bun with red bean inside. Yum. I never had this before actually, but I want to try it. And of course, I had to get me my favorite, suman. It's rice cake. Yum, 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 yum. I got me 4 packs of these. Well, 8 packs, 2 4-packs. You know. And of course, some aloe vera juice drink with mango inside. So, you gonna try that one? You know how it tastes. We just had it different, not in a banana leaf. You wanna warm up now? Okay. I'm gonna warm up one now for Mike, eh? Because he's just like me, obsessed with rice cakes.
And they're both idiots.
I'm not an idiot.
Heat it up, heat it up, heat it up, my rice cake.
Okay, since Mike is eating one, I want to eat one. So yes, that's why there are two.
They're always wrapped up in twos anyway, so.
Yes.
Okay, this is a banana leaf.
Smells so good. Smells so good.
You're disgusting. I can't open it. Just throw it in the microwave for a few minutes, heat it up, and it's done. This is how it looks like. There are other ones that have fillings, like a lot of them do like banana in it. I don't really like those banana, and I think red beans. Yeah, I don't like those fillings. But I just like the plain white sticky rice. And then I just pour a little bit of brown sugar on it. Brown sugar. And then also some coconut shreds, or whatever you call it. You can put in there. And then it's done. That's how, you know, you eat it. And it's a sweet sticky rice. It's really good. Yes, 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 yes. Mikey! Wait, spoon.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream.
So I am editing the video right now for today, and I'm gonna end this video right here.
That was the most retarded ending ever.
And I'm gonna end this video right here, which I haven't done yet. The day today was chill. We went to the Hoover Dam. That was cool to see, even though it was so high up. Yeah. I wanted to go on the Hoover Dam, but then I had enough from the bridge. So yeah, it was fine seeing it from the bridge, looking down on it. It was really cool. It's a really cool sight to see. And the lake view, Lake Mead that's close, that's right there next to it. It's so beautiful. And tomorrow, not sure what we're going to do tomorrow. It's our last full day here in Vegas tomorrow. So we'll see what we're doing then. And then Saturday, we're going to drive back early in the morning, pick up the animals, and then stop by at the Grand Canyon, and then be on our way home. Yes. So, thanks for hanging out with us today, and like, comment down below if you have any thoughts, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I'll see you tomorrow. Vlogmas Day 14. Yes, peace. Bye-bye.